Are you ready to try some snacks with us? Well, we've got our SnackSack box for the month of May. So if you want to see what we got for snacks, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey.
I'm Chloe.
And Bandit's down here. He heard the word snacks and he is already in begging mode. So if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. Come on,
yeah.
Bandit.
Should we tell him?
Tell him what?
You know.
What?
That's bad.
Chloe just won first place in the science fair.
Yay.
She's very excited. She did a research project on the filthiest sink or surface, because Alex's desk is not a sink.
That was the control group.
Oh, in the school, and it turns out that it's the one in the gym that everybody gets to use. So she's very excited. We're very excited for her. All right, so SnackSack is a monthly snack box. It focuses on healthy snacks, though, so you're not going to get a lot of junk food. You're going to get healthier versions of those kind of junk foods that you like. Sometimes they're gluten-free. Oh my God, I can't even watch that. Sometimes they're keto or paleo. There's your sneak peek. Chloe won't give you one, but I will.
I just don't like, I just feel like it should be a surprise for...
It is. You can't see much in a sneak peek.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, they can't see that much in a sneak peek.
They have those little nacho chips, and this time it's like the red ones, and it's spicy.
We tried these before. They were sweet, though, cinnamon, and they were quite good.
And then we have dark cacao, it's coconut chocolate chip. Bandit, no.
You'll love those.
We have carrot sticks, garlic and herb pretzels, sweet chaos cold stone cake batter.
Oh, that's what I want to try right there.
Vermont barbecue seasoned beef stick.
Oh, yeah, that told me too.
Blueberry lemon twice baked cookies and cherry white chunk twice baked cookies. A strawberry yogurt wafer bar. That's mine.
I can live with that.
And a Lenny and Larry's complete cookie fried bar, and cinnamon almond butter.
Cookie fried bar? What is that?
And almond fried butter. So what do you want to try first?
That's cinnamon almond butter.
Yeah, that's what I said. It said cinnamon almond butter.
You said almond fried butter.
I said cinnamon almond butter the first time. I just got confused because you just said fried. Whatever.
Yeah, I gotta try this.
Okay.
This cookie fried bar. A little ad about this. What's this say? Let's see.
Didn't you say you wanted to try something else? It was like something else before.
Yeah, I got it over here to the side.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Just a thing for a discount.
What's the other flavor?
That's totally mine, by the way.
Yeah, I know.
You don't like beef.
Yeah, I know. Oh, it's that one's peanut butter chocolate chip, and this one's cookies and cream.
Oh, Bandit, this is definitely not for you.
Nope.
I'm so sorry. We'll get you your own treats later. Okay, this doesn't feel very fried. Oh, it smells like brownie batter, though.
Cool.
Go ahead, you take off your piece. I mean, it smells really good.
It tastes proteiny.
It does, yeah. I'm kind of disappointed.
I've had the cookies before. Like our protein cookies.
I could live without that. I could definitely live without that.
It's okay, but the aftertaste is kind of weird. I've seen their cookies in the store.
We're going to try the Cold Stone cake batter popcorn. It looks amazing, at least on here. Sometimes you can find Sweet Chaos at the Dollar Tree in this size.
Isn't the Dollar Tree for failed businesses?
No.
Oh.
It's like overstock.
Oh.
Because we've got mom in there.
Oh, that's right. We also find those really good chips, the What's the brand name again?
I don't know.
I know, but you know what I'm talking about, right? Like the kettle chips.
Oh, the voodoo chips?
Yeah, the voodoo.
So they do have little sprinkles on them.
Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. That's the goods. Yeah, that's some good stuff.
Yeah, it's good.
Even Bandit likes it.
Want to try something savory? To end it off?
I know, but you can.
Oh.
I'm kind of full.
Nah.
Look, the popcorn had sprinkles. Sprinkles are for winners. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Please consider hitting the like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.